Exciting times. Who wants to play What's in the Box? What's in the box? Right, I've been waiting for this box for about 5 months. And I hope it's as good as I anticipated it to be. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh. Oh. Let's have a sneaky peek, shall we? Oh, wow. Well, for a start, I didn't know I was getting the black version. Okay. Rough trimmed. It doesn't look like a lot, but that there is my shoulder bell. Now that's quite nice, rigid form plastic. So 2 shoulder bells. That is the back of a neck. You're probably thinking that does not look like the back of a neck, but it is. That's 2 of them that need separating. I think they're the hip pieces that go around the hip and join the cod piece. I'm not 100% sure just yet because I'm only just getting them out. These are these 2 pieces, highly important pieces. That's them. As you can see. Oh wow. So this is a left and a left leg, a left and a right. I've got 2 lefts. Oh, I see. So this is a left and a right leg. No, left and left? I don't know. Anyway. Whereabouts? That will be a leg. It looks like it should go that way. Anyway. So, legs. Guessing inside. That's weird if the left and right leg are completely different. Because obviously they don't go together. Or am I just zoning out? Okay. That's your legs. There's 2 of them. They're highly important as well. Answer on a postcard. That piece there is either the bum piece or the chest piece. I think it's the bum piece. That could be the bottom of the leg. And another one of them. Oh, blimey, this is a jigsaw puzzle. There's quite a few of them. Nice shape, I don't know what it is though. Alright, so that's your elbow there. Gosh, look at that. This elbow inside. God, there's a lot of de-seaming going on here. Let's get some new jockey wheels for me Dremel. Other grinding tools are available. Got some huge great arm there. Right, so you're probably thinking, yeah, this is really nice. Like, what is it? God blimey. That's the lower legs. Front and back. That'd be front, that'd be back, I'm guessing. knee pads. Chest plate. This bit cuts out there, and that dome I had, that dome goes at the back there, and that drops down into that hole and hinges off of this back piece here. That's the back plate. I can see you're not as excited as I am, because you're probably thinking, what the hell is it? I didn't realise I had the black one, but as most of you probably know, I had quite a lot of shadow armour. It won't stay black though. Blimey, a couple of them, one of them. That's the other parts of the neck piece. Oh look, that's the visor. Oh, the bucket, I haven't undone the bucket yet. I don't want to see the bucket. One of them. Oh look, this is the pièce de la résistance. This might give you a clue to what it is. Like, yeah, quick, stop talking and undo it. I'm trying. That in there. Right, so as we saw, this is one of the shoulder bells, and this is the imperial cog that goes in the shoulder bell. So the imperial cog's not a perfect, it's not perfectly, so it's 3D printed and then moulded off of a 3D print, as I can see, but the outside edge isn't perfect. I might 3D print a new one that's smaller, but this is going to have a blue light fitted behind it as well. I'm definitely going to print a new one of those, a little bit smaller, and that goes on there. I don't know what them other two little bits were. Like weird square things. I'm sure I can't eat them. Definitely not edible. Right. And this is what we're looking at. This is the Concept Trooper. I don't know if it looks better. No. I just randomly, just roughly printed that off the off my phone. You can see the bulging bit at the back. Oh. I'll dig through and assess everything else in there at another time. But let's unwrap the lid. This is from Walt Troopers. He decided he wanted to make it, and if anyone else would be interested, so a few of us put our hands up, dropped in a deposit, and the rest isn't exactly history. But I don't think there's many of these in the UK. If anyone else has ordered one, I think most are in the US because they're based in the US. So this is my bucket. A little bit different. I have to get that. It's going to need a lot of prep, but it's a nice clean mould. There's no sags in it or mess. There's nothing to like major filling. Just get rid of the seam, prime it, smooth it. Oh yeah. Christmas has come early. Let's have a sip of my coffee. And at some point, we'll have to try and get all this back in here. I don't know what else is at the bottom. The visor. So I'm not going to get all that back in the box. Standard. Right. I shall love you and leave you. I'm not going to do any fancy editing, but I just wanted to share that with you peeps.